All right, y'all, we're here again, February 22nd, 2020. Here to give you all the news according to the charts. Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hopefully your day has been going well. We're going to give you all an update on AMD stock and why it is continuing to show us that it's going to move lower in price. It's been a very long time since we did our video in AMD, and it's about time for an update. All right, now before I get started in that, I want to remind each and every one of you, if you appreciate the simplicity of which we are able to give you our price predictions, you need to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video, share the video, and then join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, in order to see more of our price predictions in the stock market, as well as in the cryptocurrency space. Now, AMD stock. The market on Friday actually closed down 7% for AMD. That's an indication to you and I that the stock is still geared for more weakness. And we're going to try to pinpoint where the market can try to give us some TP. TP simply means take profit. That's all it means. All right. We're not here to give you any confusing jargon that so many other technical analysts try to instill in their videos, because all it simply shows you that they don't understand what they're talking about. So now let's show you why we are anticipating AMD stock to continue to see lower prices. We're going to start off with looking at the weekly price chart for AMD. And as you all can tell, that the market has went what many people term parabolic, meaning just shot literally straight up over the last couple of weeks. That is very good. It simply means that the stock market for AMD was lit. I mean, the market was very excited to continue to see higher prices, and that is how it performed. I mean, you guys can see when I draw this ascending line of how powerful the market in AMD has been trending. Now, last week is an indication to you to let you know that weakness has entered in the market for AMD. Just simply take a look at where we closed. We closed here toward the bottom of the weekly price bar. That continues to reflect that weakness is dominating the market. Now, the question that you need to figure out, myself as well, is how low the market in AMD can go in order to maintain its ability to trade higher in the long term. And you can see maybe around $50 or even $52.65 is where support areas are at. Looking at AMD on the 4-hour chart real quick, the last 4 hours definitely indicated weakness was here. We got continuation of movement to the downside to go through. But if you're in this particular stock for the long term, as long as this stock trades above this ascending line, we're still trending higher in price. So if you're in it for the long-term perspective, understand that the market in AMD can continue to see higher price. But for the time being, we have to play the market in AMD with what the market participants is telling us the direction in which they want to go. And you can see that the weakness is in control, and we're going to play the market the same way that the market participants are playing this stock, which is lower price. Now, you guys can see, let me zoom in a little bit closer, and you can see that a very good area of take profit would be around $52.10, 25 cents. So that would grant us about 2% profit into the market. And that's literally where we can see some more strength entering the space. Now, weakness is in control, so don't forget that. The market in AMD is still giving us a lot of weakness. If we cannot hold price above $52, then the next logical area for AMD is going to be all the way down here towards $50. Okay, so we will TP the market in AMD, take a small bit off the top around $52.25 in or around that particular area. But ultimately, we can drag this down a little bit further based off the conclusion of what occurred on the weekly price bar in AMD. Okay, so we're going to continue to play the market in AMD with weakness and movement to the downside. Okay, Bring that over just a tad. And there we are. Okay. So around $52, $52.25 or so. Small area TP to take out the market. But ultimately, we will continue to see that weakness play out until we see more strength come in around this ascending line. So the last time we did our video in AMD stock was all the way back on the 17th of December 2018. So again, very long time. But all in all, the market in AMD is finally showing us that weakness is here. We really couldn't capitalize from what occurred in the beginning of 2020 of January. We did just a smidget, just a small tad moving higher, and I am suspecting this stock to continue to see some lower price. Right now, not much, but again, anything can go with the economic situation across the global world. So questions, comments, you know where we at. Check us out on our website, HueFinancial.com, and on our other social media platforms, Twitter, Facebook, as well as on Instagram. Facebook will be the location that we will show you the outcome from our other price predictions that we do on our website. So just to be fully transparent with all of our members, subscribers out there in the social media realm. Make sure you always maintain a profitability, and I'm gone.